Hey guys, today it's Dragon Gamer and I made a giant Hot Wheels track. Big loop, U-turn, go off the booster, off the ramp there. These are all the cars we're going to be using and I hope you enjoy this video. There's not going to be a lot of edits. That's all I'm redoing the other one. I don't want to test you a couple. I want to test you a few of them. Okay, I know you can make it. This guy on the other hand, I'm not entirely sure. Probably not. That's all I'm going to do anything. I'm going to keep on doing it and move off. There's no truck. That's truck. Let's drop down. Anything else like that? Okay, one sec. Okay, I'm back. I gotta look for all the parts except for the banana left, because that's the only one that made it legitimate, so here we go again. Hey, I don't read it. That was on the really collection thing. Not good. Now this has one. You flipped. Oh my. It was so close. I'm gonna go back to the blue one. Off. Not this one. That one. Okay, we adjusted some things. Start off with the police car. Oh, there you are. This we'll just have to go off the ledge. Oh no. That's tough. That's one time top. Kind of a Hot Wheels. Okay. That was neat. Oh my. Nothing this time. Let's just make it, please. I'm just going to put this all over here. You follow me? I got a paper gun. What's going on? How are you working like it? Yeah, no. I'm just wait up for come up. On me. That's all I want. I think I'm not doing anything today. Just seeing me going through this entire thing. This guy has all the piles here, so the grip's a little better, but it slows down a lot more. Oh my god. I don't know if this guy. Oh, for these guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to make it for this, so they said about a couple of them they did. I'm just going to launch them like this. now for a stretcher guy. Pure plastic one, but I don't think it's gonna go flat. I believe it's gonna go flat. Yep. He's gonna just set up like as well. Yeah. Here's the distance they all made it. Banana guy managed to go the farthest. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out.